The 2 Tyres Guide to the Dunlop Trailmax Mixtour. Dunlop have a huge range of adventure bike tires. There's the Mission, Raid, Meridian, Mutant and now the Mixtour. So where does the Mixtour fit in? This isn't a premium adventure bike tire, but that doesn't mean it's no good. It comes in common adventure bike sizes, so you could fit this to your big GS or Africa Twin, but it also comes in sizes for other adventure bikes that aren't as well catered for. For example, Honda's NC750X. And due to the Mixtour being available in a conventional road bike fitments, you can put these on your SV650X or Versys 650 to give it an urban or rugged look. In terms of off-road ability, they don't have the tread block depth or spacing to tackle much more than light dry trails. These tires won't win any magazine tests or outperform other Dunlop tires, but they are a decent choice if you ride a tall rounder or commute on your bike. Think of these as a road tire with off-road looks. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.